Welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's learn together and make English fun and easy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I have a very interesting story for you. It's about a boy who loved to show off, but he learned a valuable lesson. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. In a small town nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a young man named Adam. He was known for his flashy lifestyle, expensive clothes, and constant need to show off. Adam loved attention, and he would do anything to make people admire him. Unlike his childhood friends who worked hard and lived modestly, Adam had inherited a small fortune from his late uncle. Instead of using it wisely, he spent it on luxury items, sports cars, designer watches, and lavish parties. He often boasted about his wealth, claiming he had business ventures in the city, though he had never worked a day in his life. One summer, a grand festival was announced in the town. It was the biggest event of the year, where merchants, performers, and visitors from neighboring villages gathered for celebrations. Adam saw this as the perfect opportunity to impress everyone. He wanted to make an entrance that no one would forget. So, he rented the most expensive sports car available, wore a custom-made suit, and even hired a group of photographers to follow him around as if he were a celebrity. As he drove into the festival, people turned their heads. Whispers filled the air.
Look at Adam. He must be richer than we thought.
I heard he owns properties in the city. Maybe he's a millionaire now.
Adam smirked, enjoying the attention. That evening, Adam hosted a party at a luxurious hotel. He invited influential people, businessmen, landowners, and even the mayor. As they dined on expensive food and drank imported wine, Adam made a grand announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have an exclusive business opportunity for those who wish to grow their wealth. I am investing in a new real estate project in the city. If you invest with me, your money will double within a year.
The guests, impressed by his confidence and lavish lifestyle, were eager to participate. Over the next few weeks, many of them handed over their savings, trusting Adam's words. For months, Adam lived like a king. He used the invested money to fund his extravagant lifestyle, buying more luxury cars, throwing more parties, and taking trips to expensive resorts. But reality caught up with him. There was no real investment. He had never started a business. Soon, the investors started asking for updates.
Adam, when do we get our returns? Can you show us the progress of the project?
At first, he made excuses. Then, he started avoiding people. But in a small town, secrets don't stay hidden for long. Soon, rumors spread that Adam had lied. One day, a group of angry investors confronted him at his mansion. The mayor, who had invested a large sum, was among them.
Where is our money, Adam?
He demanded. Adam stuttered, trying to make another excuse, but they had already investigated. They knew there was no project, no business, and no way to recover their money. The townspeople took legal action. Adam was forced to sell everything he had left to repay the people he had deceived. His cars, watches, and mansion were all gone. The once proud man who had loved to show off was now left with nothing. Humbled and ashamed, Adam left town. Nobody knew where he went, but some say he took a job in the city, working an honest job for the first time in his life. And so, the town learned a valuable lesson. True success isn't about showing off wealth. It's about integrity, hard work, and honesty. Moral of the story: pride and deceit may bring temporary fame, but only honesty and hard work lead to lasting success. So, that's the lesson for today. Remember, don't show off. Stay humble and keep working hard. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Have you ever seen someone who loves to show off? What happened? See you next time. Bye.